Hi, my name's Jeremy.
Hi, I'm Stacia. This is Uptown Swing, Level 2 at the Classics, Week 1. You learned 3 new things. We're going to remind you what they are.
This one's called Around the World, like every other move is called Around the World. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Point.
With points on the end.
Point. A point.
Stomp. Uh-huh.
Then we have the double rock step,
Uh-huh.
named because there are 2 rock steps.
I don't take 2 rock steps, but I can also get a little hitch step on the end if I match Jeremy. So maybe we do 2 in a row, and I'll do a hitch step on the second one with a different footwork.
Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock, step, hitch, step, triple step.
And then the other one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. I just take that triple step out of the end and I face the other way.
And then we reviewed the glide to the side, a Frankie special. Looks like this.
Always a hoot.
Let's do it this way so we can kind of get the camera in there, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8.
And that's what we did. We did the hoop.